I've been skiing, lucky enough to be skiing since I was 2 years old. Been to the Alps probably 50 times in my life, and it's the best 3 days in the mountains I've ever had.
Different house and a different name. I could sing you your favorite song, yeah, you'd sing along, you'd sing along. I could wrap you in your favorite clothes and kiss your face just so you know that I'm the one who has got your back. Now turn around and don't be sad. I hope you find the love that's true, so the morning light could shine on you. Hope you find what you're looking for, so your heart is warm forevermore. I could fly you away with me to the furthest place you'll ever be. We could smoke till the sun goes down, and without a sound, would fall asleep by the big blue sea with open eyes so we could see the way it shines for you and I. You know it'll shine until we fly. I hope you find the love that's true, so the morning light could shine on you. Hope you find what you're looking for, so your heart is warm forevermore. I could wait with you by the water. I could wait with you for the winter to come. I could stand with you with your snow boots on. I hope you find the love that's true, so the morning light could shine on you. Hope you find what you're looking for, so your heart is warm forevermore.
It is one of those things that just imprints itself on your memory. It's going to be one of those iconic trips that I'll remember for the rest of my life. It's been amazing.
I hope you